Okay, Ben, we're gonna go meet your brother now. Right in this room right here. Right in there. In here. Go in the door.
Hi, buddy. Do you want to see your brother? Come here, he's right there. Do you see him?
Here's Nathan.
He's good.
He's good, yeah.
Ben, what do you think about your brother?
Mommy.
Good to see you, buddy. Isn't he cute, Ben?
Where's the doctor?
He's not here, baby.
What do you think of your brother, Ben?
Do you like him? He's sleeping.
I'll be a big brother soon.
You are a
You
big
are a big
brother,
brother
Ben.
now. You're a big brother, Ben. That's your little brother.
Here.
Yeah, he's in there. Do you think he's cute?
He's tiny. The baby.
Yeah. You're a big brother, buddy.